Knock it off. Will you stop? Making our job difficult for no reason.
Yeah, man, I got no. Hold up, man. Hey, hold up.
Get in the car.
The incident began when police were called to an Amazon warehouse after reports of a terminated employee allegedly threatening his former managers. According to staff, the driver made disturbing comments, including claims that he'd retrieved something from his car, implying a potential weapon.
What's the story? What did he say?
So we just...
He's the passenger or the driver?
No, the driver. We just had to terminate him, and he said that I'll be right back. I have to go get something out of the car. I'll be coming right back in here. Let me go to my trunk and get something.
He made some comments on the way out, like I'm a
Yeah, he also said that too.
Yeah, so.
Did he say that directly to you guys?
Yes.
Police locate the suspect sitting in his vehicle nearby. When officers try to talk to him, he becomes immediately defensive, refusing to cooperate.
Nope, leave it.
Let me know.
I'm telling you no, you're not leaving yet.
Why?
Because-
I'm on the phone.
Okay, so you can't drive on the phone.
Hey, I gotta speak.
So it's passenger or driver? Driver.
Put it in park, you're
Do
not
me a
leaving
favor.
yet.
Put the car in park and step out, please.
What's the problem? I'm trying to leave. Go home.
The officers explain that they're investigating a potential threat, but the man repeatedly denies making any dangerous statements.
When you left.
They made a statement. They told me leave. I thought I'd be back. Get my damn money.
Come over here. Come here. Don't even think about nothing. Don't do nothing stupid. You need to chill the f out and relax.
Hold on, don't cut
We
me
didn't
like
do
that.
nothing to you.
I did.
We
I'm
didn't
on
do
the
nothing
phone
to you.
trying to get a
We
direction
didn't
to
do
the
nothing to
hospital.
you. Did I do something to you?
No.
Okay then, why
I'm
do you have a problem
trying
with
to get a direction to the hospital.
me? Why do you have a problem with me?
Because y'all come here, I'm on the phone talking.
Because we got called.
I'm trying to get paid.
Somebody called us.
Call, because I'm right here waiting.
Because they said you made a threat. When you
I ain't made no threat. I said I'll be back.
Okay. Do you have any weapons on you?
What I need weapon for?
Do you have any weapons in the car?
No, you better check it. You check it last time y'all checked. Y'all don't empty my shit. Now y'all gonna fix my shit up. Check this shit. Let me come now.
Don't reach
Don't
in there,
be
don't
reaching
reach
around.
in the car.
Don't grab me! Don't grab me. Don't grab me. I'm trying to get the fuck out of here. My son's sick, getting the surgery. Y'all with me?
Yeah.
I'm home. Cause I told him I'm leaving.
No, you told him more than that.
I'm just getting off the clock.
I don't
I'm
care.
just getting off the clock.
I don't care. You told him more than that.
I ain't told shit. It just happened. You what you talking about?
As officers press for answers, the suspect becomes increasingly aggressive, yelling profanities and accusing the police of targeting him unfairly.
They fired me and they called the cops on me. And I tried to get home, trying to get home. And you motherfuckers arrest me. And you know me.
You didn't make comments today?
And I'm just getting off the clock. 12 o'clock, everybody do all my work, and they want to call the in the office and you fired. Everybody do all my work, because they're talking about safe when my knee came out. When my knee got connected, they hurt. Like I said, now I'm going back now. I have my lawyer, that you know these hands dangerous. Yeah, if I do all the work, they looked at the videotape I was riding on the cart, the safety beat, and they caught me. I'm in the car trying to get directions to the place. They pulled up, talking about, keep your car out.
Can you step away from the car, please?
You gonna let me go? I got my kids in the house.
No, you're not going yet.
Bro, what's the problem then?
We're still investigating this incident.
Stand over there.
This car
You need to
is,
go stand
so you
over
need
there.
to step away now, before you get locked up. You can step out of the car if you'd like. You're free to step out of the car.
As officers press for answers, the suspect becomes increasingly aggressive, yelling profanities and accusing the police of targeting him unfairly.
Talking about you got weapon. I don't use no weapon. I use my hand. 20 years in boxing. I use my hand. And anything that... Alright, this call the doctor, let him know I have my bail money. I'm about to go to car. Alright, I was sitting in the car trying to, figure out, get down to the police station. Get down to the company, and they pulled up talking about, get your hand out the car. Come on, like I'm crazy. Cause I'm black, show you what I could do. I show you what I could do. Don't play with me.
You don't show nobody.
Nah, I'm gonna show you, cause I'm ready.
You need to do with I told you whether it's civil rights.
Yeah, I'm going to civil rights. I'm gonna pull all these motherfuckers cops. They got me working for nothing. I'm in here trying to get my pay. I'm in here trying to get my payroll on the phone. They pull up on me. It's the third time they search my shit. Let me call the whole family up here. Nah, this is what I call the family up here. I told the motherfucker be back. They ain't gonna stop me from hanging around. Get my motherfucker. money.
While the suspect remains outside, a sergeant speaks with Amazon staff to get a clearer picture of what happened during the termination.
We had to terminate him, and at the end of it, he got up and was saying, "I'll be right back. I gotta get something out of my truck."
Okay. Did he like gesture in any way while he was saying this stuff?
When I walked out with him, and he was like going through his trunk.
Okay.
Like, almost like gesturing like I'm getting something out of the trunk. Like,
Right.
you know, he was like looking in, he's in the trunk, he's going through stuff, he's like still like, he was kind of acting like that.
Okay.
But yeah, I mean, he made it pretty clear when he left the table, he was like, I'm gonna motherfucker.
Okay.
I'll be right back.
So he said that in here and
Yeah.
walked directly to his car and then started going through the trunk?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Did he seem like he was about to pull anything out when he was at the trunk? Or did you guys not go out?
I didn't go outside, I was watching from the window there. Hard to tell, but like he kept like looking in, you can see me through the window.
Okay.
But yeah, kind of like in the same condition he's in now, though, like just really irate, smoking a lot out there.
Okay. What was the issue that caused him to be terminated?
He had a safety violation.
Safety violation.
Yeah, it was
Okay.
one of our category ones, so zero tolerance on it.
So
Yeah,
that's
problem.
So what happened?
Okay, so Connor and I were processing his termination. We were sitting at the table, Connor to my left, Kevin directly across, closest to the exit. We got to the end of the termination. We read through the information. He said, "This is bull. Why are you guys making me? Why did you make me work all day?" And then process my termination. He said, "The last time somebody did something like this to me, I almost killed him." Pulled his badge off of his waist. I said, "Kevin, we're gonna need you to leave your badge." He said, "Here's my badge." He then stood up, walked, and then as he was
And as he stood up,
so as he stood up, he said, "I'll be back. I'm going to get my out of the car," and then stormed out the door. And that's when
Did you catch what he said though when he said, I'm gonna motherfucker?
I did not hear
I
that.
didn't hear that.
But I heard him say, no, what he said before that was, the last time somebody did something like this, I almost.
Okay. Did you all believe that he was making a legitimate threat? Like
Yes.
he was
So
legitimately
he has
going to get
had-
something?
He has already had disciplinary action in this building for making a threat previously that he already killed somebody.
Yeah, I was-
You guys were out, you guys were here, like this.
Yeah.
We're not taking anything lightly with him.
Yeah.
Were you able to? I can't get into it. Okay.
So you guys believed he legitimately had a weapon in his trunk and he was going to get it?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
All right, just stay here then. Let me go talk to my sergeant. I'll be right back.
Outside, the suspect continues to argue with officers, refusing to step away from his car. His erratic behavior leaves police no choice but to take him into custody.
I'm gonna let my car go. I gotta shut my cars off.
Around.
Okay, cuffs there.
Can you shut my car?
We'll take care of it.
You gonna lock me up for what?
Terroristic threats.
Ain't no terrorist threat.
Don't turn on him. Let him adjust the handcuffs.
Not too tight, right? They're not too tight?
Yeah, it's tight.
Well, I can fit a finger in
I
there.
got disabled too.
Okay. You got anything on you that I gotta be worried about?
Come on, wait. Stupid.
It's the car. All right, just let him search you.
Dumb.
Terroristic threats.
Ain't no terrorist threat.
Stop turning.
And I got my.
Stop turning. Okay, just relax.
Go ahead, motherfucker.
Relax.
Go ahead.
Sir,
Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead.
The suspect was ultimately arrested on multiple charges, including disorderly conduct, resisting arrest, and making terroristic threats. While no weapon was found in his vehicle, his behavior left Amazon employees and police on high alert.
knock it off. Will you stop? Taking our job.
Incidents like this highlight the challenges police face when responding to emotionally charged situations. Thankfully, no one was hurt during this chaotic encounter. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more never-before-seen arrest footage, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more real-life drama caught on camera.